Okay, if you watch my last video, you know that I have a dog and I've been asked about supplementation for dogs. Although I'm not an expert, I have had dogs my entire life, and I even had a Chihuahua that lived till he was 22. So based off that, I may have some good advice for you. So I pulled up some information that I thought you might find interesting, and we'll go through it together. Okay, so in our last video, I went over chlorella and the benefits for people, but I've found that it can be extremely beneficial for dogs as well. So we're going to go through some of this and talk about, I'm going to review an article with you that I found, and we'll talk about the benefits that we can see for our furry little friends. So just like with people, it can help with gut health. It can help with immune function, detox, improving energy, reducing signs and symptoms of aging, and improves skin, eyes, coat, and reduces bad breath. So I found this lovely article here that I thought I would share with you. And this one is from Dogs Naturally. I thought they did a really great job of going over this. This is a pretty recent article, November 5th, 2021. And as we went over before, for people, improves detoxification, helps prevent chronic disease, slows aging, immune function, digestive function, soothes arthritis pains, improves skin and coat. So it's a single-celled freshwater microalgae that thrives in the help of sunlight. Chlorella attracts a lot of attention in the health industry. A lot of people call it a superfood. Okay, so it has been shown to detox heavy metals from your system as well as in our dogs. So our dogs are living in the same environment we are, with all this excess herbicides and pesticides, vaccinations, processed pet food. I mean, we aren't really, like I talked about before with supplementation, we're not really sure exactly what's in all these supplements, which can include heavy metals. If we're not careful with the manufacturers we're choosing, just imagine what's going on with pet food. Flea, tick, and heart dewormers, those in it, and of course pollution. Trace of heavy metals like iron and zinc are important for your dog's health, but lead and so on can be dangerous in larger amounts and consistently if you're getting them consistent exposure. Reduce cadmium and lead toxicity in organs of animals. In one study, chlorella reduced blood lead levels by up to 66%, and was most exposure, researchers saw a reduction in lead of only 13 to 17%. So showing that it has a protective element over time and continuing to take it on a consistent basis. So it's interesting in animals because there's less regulations than on people. So it can be interesting to look at animal studies, even for ourselves, so we can learn more about how these things work. Another study showed that chlorella helped improve the removal of methylmercury in mice, which was it may affect other toxins, dioxins, highly toxic environmental pollutants, neurotoxins, toxins that attack the nervous system, like fluoride, and mycotoxins in processed food, insect and environmental byproducts of radiation. What are the steps that you can use to detox your dog when exposed? You can do so naturally. Something like chlorella helps prevent chronic disease cells. Your dog needs antioxidants, and chlorella has antioxidants in it, such as beta carotene, vitamin C, chlorophyll, lycopene, and lutein. In 2019, researchers supplemented rabbit diets with chlorella. Rabbits that ate chlorella balance of free radicals and oxidants compared to those that didn't can slow aging. So the Veteran's Guide to Natural Remedies for Dogs by Martin Sucker, Dr. Clarence Hardin, DC, explains that it helps slow the aging process and boosts health in older dogs. Chlorella's anti-aging effects are partially due to antioxidants in chlorella. It may prevent premature aging and cognitive decline, but chlorella also contains chlorella growth factor. That's interesting. Chlorella growth factor is rich in nucleic acid. Each of your dog's cells contain nucleic acid in a form of RNA and DNA and relay genetic information and help create proteins. Foods rich in nucleic acid support cell repair and regeneration. In 2009, researchers demonstrated chlorella's ability to do just that. Researchers looked at DNA treated with chlorella were better able to protect and repair themselves. CGF can also improve energy levels. Some believe that this is because it reduces the amount, which research shows it may be because of chlorella, which is increasing the amount of oxygen test subjects inhale. Okay. Boosts the immune system. Chlorella helps prevent chronic disease and detoxify your dog's body, which are both great ways to produce an immune system against potential invaders. Research also looked at CGF and an immune system in 2016. They showed that CGF improved humoral immune response. Humoral immune response handles the production of antibodies to fight off bacterial interferons. Interferons send out an alert when a virus is present. It also enhances natural killer cells, which are integral in the immune system's ability to fight viruses. And digestive health has an antimicrobial benefit. These can help fight off harmful bacteria in your dog's gut. But that isn't all. Chlorella is a high fiber. Fiber is it not only regulates your dog's bowel movements, but it's also a prebiotic. Prebiotics are digestible fibers that travel in your dog's colon. Once in the colon, they feed bacteria that are alive. This includes beneficial bacteria that help keep your dog healthy. Prebiotics are also used in combination with probiotics. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that colonize in your dog's digestive tract. Together, prebiotics and probiotics can help grow, restore, maintain healthy gut flora. As an added bonus, research shows chlorella can improve the viability of probiotics. And in one Japanese study, chlorella tripled probiotic bacteria concentration. It can soothe arthritis pain. Chlorella can be an effective way to soothe arthritis and joint pain for three main reasons. Joint diseases are often caused by chronic inflammation. One study showed that chlorella taken regularly can prevent inflammation in arthritic rats. This may be because of lycopene. Lycopene is a plant nutrient and antioxidant, which it's almost often associated with pink and red products like watermelon. Tomatoes also found in chlorella. In 2013, researchers studied lycopene in chlorella and concluded chlorella was a better natural alternative to inflammatory diseases. Best of all, it has no known side effects. Lastly, chlorella contains omega-3 fatty acids, which is also anti-inflammatory. Just 3 grams of chlorella, 100 grams has 100 grams of omega-3s. It can improve skin and coat. Mentioned earlier, nucleic acid CGF helps with cell regeneration and helps maintain healthy skin cells. Chlorella also contains nutrients that directly promote skin health and coats. This includes fatty acids, among other antioxidants, vitamins A and C. These same nutrients can also stimulate collagen synthesis. Yes, same in people. Collagen is a protein that gives your dog's body structure. It plays a role in healthy growth for bones, ligaments, muscles, and tendons. It also is a component for skin, hair, and nails. Including collagen-rich foods in your dog's diet can help its skin and coat. It can also help with dermatitis, irritated skin conditions. Chlorella contains lutein, astaxanthin, beta-carotenes. These 3 antioxidants are all plant pigments or pigmentations known as carotenes. They all help maintain health of your dog's eyes. In fact, lutein and zeaxanthin are the only 2 dietary carotenoids that will accumulate in the retina. This means that they help protect from oxidative stress. Research shows that lutein and xanthan can help protect against eye problems like age-related macular degeneration, cataracts, diabetic retinopathy. Reduces bad breath. Chlorella contains a compound called chlorophyll, like carotenoids, flavonoids. Chlorophyll is a plant pigment. It's responsible for green color in plants and algae. Chlorophyll has tons of benefits, but with one unique one that prevents bad breath, at least for dogs. Dr. Liz, a veterinarian, Dr. Hansen speaks out on this. One of the most important ways that our pets benefit from chlorophyll is that it both treats and prevents bad breath from the inside out. It also improves digestion, which is the most likely cause for bad breath in dogs. How to use, you mix it with their food. Can speed up wounds for healing because of that collagen production and so on. So I thought this was super interesting and something that I wanted to share with you. It also shows a lot of the benefits that may be available for humans with chlorella. And as we discussed before, is vitamin C, vitamin A, iron, vitamin K, Bs, phosphorus, beta carotene, chlorophyll, lycopene, lutein. So if you have any questions, I've included some links down below for you to reach out to me, schedule a meeting with me, do coaching with me. If you have any questions about any of my presentations, you can check out those links down below. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to keep you up to date on more interesting articles and information that I find, and I appreciate you hanging out with me. We'll see you next time.